Bienvenidos a Café Palmeros del Desierto. Here we are, Cafe Desert Palms, with the brand new Bunn ICB Twin stainless steel 208 volts of coffee making wonder. So you come in and it's off, and if you look over here, there's no lights on, nobody's home, and so what you do is you reach back here and you turn it on right by the receptacle. Don't stick your fingers in there. Turn it on. Then you look over here and you got lights. When you show up Sunday morning to make coffee, and thank you for doing that, by the way, you will most often find the ICB Twin SH Bunn coffee maker, which is wired at 208 volts for fast and expedient heating. It will be an energy saver mode, and it'll say no temperature, and it'll say press any switch to reheat. And so what you do is you press any switch, and you can hear it. It just kicked in a little bit of water, and now it is going to heat. Again, making sure that you've got both of these on so you can enable the brew. And then once you set everything up, you fill your coffee correctly, and then you'll hit the brew button, just like that. After you have turned your coffee maker on, come over here to the coffee cabinet. You get out your filter, like so. Then come in here. Just like that. Got your coffee here. Got 2 scoops in each of these. I'm just going to make one for the time being. Wonderful. Okay, looks like we are ready to brew. You can see the screen says ready to brew, and the temperature is correct at 202 degrees Fahrenheit. We put our coffee funnel in, make sure our carafe is in place, and then we come up here and make sure that we have the setting correct on this second one, not the first one, which is easy to do. That's less coffee. Sunday morning we need lots of coffee, so we got that, and this is the correct for these carafes. We got to make sure that our enabled brew light is on both of these, and then we just hit brew on both of them, and you can hear the coffee making. Pretty exciting. Now we got this flashing time to brew, tells you this side and that side, so pretty exciting. Now the funnels are locked in. I guess I can show that to you. Funnels are locked in while it's brewing, right? And that's a good feature. So not going to burn ourselves with that. All right, all that remains is to let it brew and then take it out and clean up. The lid on. And you're good to go. Now we just clean up a little bit of the mess here. Make sure we're not continuing to drip. We'll take that out and dump it in the trash can, which is right over there. And then we get this amazing cup. Freshly brewed coffee from Café Palmeros Desiertos.